Dafida. Welcome to the channel Dafida's World. As you guys know, today I'm back with again Korean. So in this video today we are gonna make words by using consonants and vowels. We will combine two consonants and vowel and make a word. OMG. Okay, so let's start. So it's time to make a word. So in English word, it's like APPLE, which is a one roll or one line. But in Korean, we put the consonant and vowel in a box. So I'm gonna show you how to make a Korean word. So there are two ways to make Korean words, which is this and this. C plus V and C plus V plus C. Here C plus V is consonants plus vowels, and C plus V plus C means consonants plus vowels plus consonant. So these are the two ways to make a word. So first of all, I'm gonna show you the consonants and vowel. These three are consonants plus vowel. So first of all, I'm gonna circle the consonant. Circle. G, g, and g. So this is g. So I circle the consonant which is g. G, g. So we know in Kannada mabasa adjective kita paha. It's g. So we know among all the consonants, this g is the first one. G, g, right? G and a. This is the vowel. So g and a is ka, ka. G and a is ka, ka. Okay. So the next one is g and u. G and u. It's gu, gu, gu. G and U is gu. Okay, gu. So the next one, G and wa. G, it's G and wa. Kwa. G and wa is kwa. Kwa. So G and wa is kwa. This is the first way of making one word. So let me review it again. So ka, ku. Ku and kwa, kwa. So ka, ku, kwa. Ka, ku, kwa. So in the first one, we have seen that this is consonants and vowel. So there is another way, which is consonant, vowel, and consonants. So there are two consonants. So this is the first consonant and this is the last consonant. So let me circle the two consonants. This is the first consonant, this is the last consonant. And this is the first consonant, this is the last consonant. Again, this is the first consonant and this is the last consonant. Okay? I read this first. So g, this is g. And a, ka. G and a is ka. So m. G and a and m. So together is kam. Kam. A, m. Kam. So the next one is g and u. So gu, g and u is gu, and m. So it's kum. So this is pronounced kum. So it's actually a bear. So the next one is, this is g, wa. So wa, and this is m, quam. So this is pronounced quam. So this is the second way to make a word. So this is consonant, vowel, and consonant. This is the first way, which is consonant and vowel, and this is the second way, which is consonant, vowel, and consonant. So in Korean, this is the only two way to make a word, okay? I hope you like this video. So in the next video, I'm gonna give more example of these, words. So I'm gonna give more example of words. So I hope you like this video. Please subscribe this channel, give a like, and share this video. Bye! Annyeong!